we chose art in Morocco, which is the northern part of Africa.
We study about the pattern in the architecture. And here's the architecture we chose. Like, there's the palace in Morocco. It's the entrance of the palace, and like they're from the Islam temple and the other palace in Morocco. Like, you can see like there's like they use the pattern as decoration, and also the pattern have like different meaning, and we're going to talk about it.
So as far as the background to this kind of art, first off, they're called zilij, which are it's the name of the mosaics of closely fitting tiles. It was really influenced by Islam as it came into Morocco. Islam was started in 610 AD, and it was so influential that other kingdoms' artifacts, wherever Islam was, all the artifacts kind of looked the same. So Morocco was one of these places, and you can see in the different patterns there aren't any animals or humans, and that's because it was a commandment in Islam that there shouldn't be any animals or people depicted for fear of idolatry.
So for a design element, as Abigail have mentioned, because like the God of Islam didn't allow them to have any living thing in the art, so most of the pattern are inspired by the plants and the floral pattern. So for the pattern, most of them are the continuous and repeated pattern with compulsive color, which means it's also representing the meaning of the God in Islam, that they have a longer life, like, or their life is never end. And the color also representing different meaning. For the white color, it representing purity. The black is about the depth of life. Brown is about the mankind and the skin tone of the people in Morocco. Yellow is representing not just the physically wealth, but also the spiritual wealth. And the blue is symbolizing the water, the wheel of reflection to the heaven. For the both green and red color are the Islam color, and especially for the red color is representing about the blood. So in the picture on the side, you can see that each layer representing different people, different, like this heaven, like the people, the wealth. You can see how they from each layer you can see how they care about their religion.
So like at the center there's green, which represents Islam, and so it's like Islam is maybe the center of life. You're looking at this far right photo of this mosaic, and then right outside of it is kind of this taupey brown color, which would symbolize the people. So like Islam goes to the people, and maybe like right outside there's the yellow band, and the yellow band symbolizes the spiritual depth that comes from Islam to the people. And maybe the blue would symbolize the heavens, and our way to get to heaven is through that spiritual wealth.
That's all right.